Hello everyone, my name is Akshat, continuing with hashtag DrGViswanathan's challenge, question number 14. Well, actually, I have already submitted this question with a little different code, which I thought it should be like optimal, but unfortunately, it didn't want to be get to be optimal. Well, this is the code which I have submitted. Actually, I have created two arrays, this and this, and a very small code which actually worked pretty well. Well, this is this, and I'm extremely sorry, I forgot about telling you the question. Question is converting from integer to Roman. Well, question says like question is this all. Describe the question. You just need to convert from normal integers to no Roman integers. Well, it finds out this question. This solution is the optimal. It didn't seems to be optimal, but let's just submit this. See, this is a little bit better than this. So yeah, we have just submitted the question. So thank you, and I will post more videos.